Today's topic is low birth weight. A child is said to be low birth if his weight is less than 2.5 kgs at the time of birth. And low birth weight is the single most important determinant which determines the survival and healthy growth and development of the child. The main causes of low birth weight includes short gestation, that is prematurity, or fetal growth retardation, that is small further date. Prematurity, it is mainly because of the preterm. Is if the gestation period is less than 37 weeks of gestation. Again, there are three types of preterm, that is extremely preterm, very preterm, and late preterm. Extremely preterm is less than 28 weeks. Very preterm includes 28 to 32 weeks of gestation, and late preterm includes 32 to 37 weeks of gestation. Here in preterm, the intrauterine growth is normal, that is weight, length, and development of the child is normal during the gestation period. So the treatment, it may include, if you give good neonatal care, the child may catch growth by 2 to 3 years and his growth may be normal. And causes of prematurity, it includes spontaneous preterm birth or provider initiated preterm. Spontaneous preterm births, it includes pre-labor premature rupture of membranes, that is age of pregnancies and pregnancy spacing, multiple pregnancies, infections, underlying maternal conditions, that is chronic medical conditions, nutritional status, lifestyle changes, and maternal psychological health. All these factors constitute to pre-labor premature rupture of membranes. And provider initiated preterm, these includes medical induction, that is obstetric indications and fetal indications. Coming to small for date, if the weight of the child is less than 10 percentile of the gestation age, then it is called small for date. That is, usually a graph is drawn between the growth and the gestation. All the children who comes below this 10 percentile, they are called small for gestation, and the children between 10 to 19th percentile, then are called appropriate for gestation age. So, small for dates is if the weight of the baby is less than 10 percentile of the gestation age. Causes includes maternal, placental, and fetal causes. Maternal causes, it includes economical status and short maternal stature, very young age, malaria, hypertension. And placental causes includes placental insufficiency, placental abnormality. And fetal causes, it includes fetal abnormalities, infections, and chromosomal abnormalities and multiple gestation. Short for date are high risk of dying not only during the neonatal period but also during their infancies, and these children are highly prone to protein energy malnutrition and infections. So prevention is mainly cause specific, and there can be direct intervention or indirect intervention. Direct intervention includes identification of high risk pregnancies or steps to reduce the risk of pregnancies, and early detection of risk in pregnant women. This is mainly done by giving pregnant women the health card. These are simple health cards and these can be easily used even in the PHCs. And some of the direct intervention includes increasing food intake. Even the small dietary improvement in the malnourished pregnant women can significant improvement in the birth of the infant. And by treating even the anemia, there can be increase in birth weight of the offerings. And controlling infections, maternal infections, they are mainly unrecognized, so they should be prevented or diagnosed earlier. And earlier detection and treatment of gestational diseases like hypertension and diabetes. Coming to the indirect interventions, they include family planning, avoidances of excessive smoking, and improved sanitation measures. All these improve the health and nutrition of the young girls. Coming to the treatment, we classify the newborn babies into less than 2 kgs and between 2 to 2.5 kgs children. The children who are less than 2 kgs, they require the first class modern neonatal care which are not available, so we give intensive care units. And the child between 2 to 2.5 kg child, they require intensive care unit for a day or two. Causes of death in low birth weight children are highly prone for death. They are the leading causes of infant mortality rate. So the causes include atelectasis, malformation, pulmonary hemorrhage, intracranial bleeding, pneumonia, and other infections.